Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how you could copy, paste, or do some functionalities within the Microsoft 365. Now, when it comes to Microsoft 365, guys, you need to understand that the app itself is basically um, not something where you could like be copying and pasting things. I mean, you could, as you can see here, I can write hello and I can copy and then paste and do a couple of things like that. So, for example, something similar to that. But um, we're not going to talk about stuff like this, but when we get the Microsoft 365, we actually get with them a couple of apps. These apps are many. There is Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. The copy paste within all of these, it really varies. For example, if I open Excel, let me just create a new file Excel right here, real quick. As you can see right over here, click on it, and let me show you how we can copy and paste. So you could write something. So hello, we can Control C, Control V, and this will allow us to actually copy paste. There's also right click and left and right click again, but here choose one of these pasting methods. There is paste by as it is, values, formulas, transpose, formatting, and paste link. So we have all of these type of pasting that we could do in Microsoft Excel. The same thing goes for other Microsoft things. So that was it. Thank you guys love for watching. See you guys in the next video.